promise?
I promise.
That when I leave this space,
I
will look down at the ground.
I'll look down at the ground.
And pick up more trash than I thought I expected. Yeah, for real though, this is an honor to be here. Because this. Sorry, I'm talking this way because of the sound. All right, you understand. So the reason why this is important is because if we can show these people that we are the people that we know we are, and that they might not know we are. We like our music loud, yes, but that doesn't mean that we're gonna leave your place a mess. So check it out. We're gonna leave this place spick span motherfucking clean as hell, and we'll be able to see you next year. And we'll be able to raise more money for charity to keep our beaches clean and shit, and like awesome for everybody, because that's like the most important shit on the planet.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, my last song. This is how we gotta do it. Bitch, we bad. Okay, yeah, I gotta respect the time constraint here. Support everything. All right, yay! Thank you. Please enjoy the rest of your time here. It is an amazingly gorgeous place to be. Shouts out to Hunter Williams. All right, shouts out everybody. Thank you again. Please, fucking let's keep this place clean. Let's keep it good. Oh, yo, a bunch of people worked really hard all day through the sun to put up all this shit that's here. So on the count of three, make as much noise as you have all day for the staff that brought this together. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, come on! And I'll leave you with that. It's so important to take care of the people that take care of us. Y'all take care of me, so thank you. I love you. Have a great rest of your Christmas. Take care of each other. Wilmington, I don't know what the fuck is going on out here, but it's fucking dope.